Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting on the page itself, so open the Facebook page where you'll post. Click Create Post or go to Publishing Tools and choose Video. Once done, upload your MP4 file. Facebook prefers MP4. Make sure it's under 4 GB to avoid long processing. While the file uploads, write a clear caption that explains the content and includes a call to action. You're setting the stage. Correct file format, caption, and immediate upload keep the process smooth. Now focus on details that determine reach and viewer engagement. Add a descriptive title, tags, and select or upload a custom thumbnail so the video looks good in feeds. Aim for a 16:9 aspect thumbnail. Make sure captions are enabled or upload an SRT file for accessibility. Next, pick the audience, public or restricted by country or age, and decide if you want a schedule or cross-post to other pages. These settings affect who sees. Finish by hitting publish or schedule for the time you chose. Make sure visibility is what you intended. Once posted, monitor insights for the first 24 to 48 hours, watch view counts, average watch time, and engagement to learn what worked. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Re-export the video with a lower bitrate or H.264 MP4 settings and re-upload. This fixes most processing or playback errors. If scheduling failed, refresh and confirm time zone before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.